let's go to Gary in Devon. Gary, good evening.
Good evening, Daniel. Thanks for taking my call. I'll try and keep it short. What it was, I was made redundant on the 21st of February. I'm a delivery driver for a transport company, and a week before that, they called us up the office. They lost the contract, they do various contracts, delivering or whatever, so we may want volunteers. So on the 21st, we was all called up. I was given my redundancy notice.
Did you volunteer, Gary?
It was just they wanted volunteers. It wasn't sort of set in stone or whatever. And that was the week before.
So did you volunteer for redundancy?
I asked to be considered, but nothing was set in stone. I mean, it was just rumours. We may want volunteers, it was worded. And on the 21st, we went up to a meeting. We had a text the day before, like, can you be at a meeting at 9 o'clock in the morning, which we were. Given my notice, I was made to work that day and told if I was to walk out, I would be dismissing myself. So I worked that day. Tuesday night this week, because we were weekly paid, we got an electronic wage slip saying I'll get paid my redundancy notice, £5,000, £3,000 redundancy, £2,000 is my notice period. We never got nothing. I phoned up the next morning and she said, oh no, you won't be getting it. I was due to be paid on Friday, the 1st of March. Nothing went in. And what concerns me is the notice money, £2,000, which is taxable, is on my P45, which they sent me, and I haven't received nothing. And the company's now changed its name.
Right. So can I just summarise your question? I'm expecting $5,000 from my employers and I haven't been paid it.
Basically, yes. But they're saying, because the company, they said they've liquidated the company, but the company's changed names. It's got the same company number and everything else. It's just literally changed its name.
Right. That's not consistent. They've either liquidated it, in which case the new company will have a different company number, or they've not liquidated it.
It's the same number. It is the same number on Company's House.
Right. Have you checked to see whether they've applied to put it into liquidation? On Company's
apparently
House?
They have applied, but what concerns me is because it's saying I've been paid £2,000, which I haven't.
Yeah. Okay.
On my P45. That's my main concern, to be honest.
Right. So you are entitled to claim from something called the redundancy fund, which is run by the government, where you're made redundant and your employer doesn't pay what they're meant to pay. So what I would do is look up on the internet the redundancy fund. It's sometimes called the National Insurance Fund. It's provided by the DWP, Department for Work and Pensions, and they will pay up to 8 weeks' notice and all of your statutory redundancy payment. There is a weekly cap. I think it's around the £700.
I think 643, I think it was.
643. Okay, I thought it was around the 700. We're not far off. I'm assuming that wouldn't affect you anyway, or would it?
No, it wouldn't. But it's the P45 thing, my concern.
I don't understand what you're concerned about. What's the issue there? Your notice pay would normally be on your P45 as part of your salary that you've earned.
The trouble is, I haven't earned it. I haven't had the money.
Well, then you claim against the redundancy fund and they'll pay it to you. So
it is okay for that to be on my P45?
Yes. It would have to be on the P45. It's money that you've legally earned. In terms of enforcing it, getting the money, the redundancy fund will pay it to you.